Congress leader Manish Tiwari today attacked the ruling party on the ongoing controversy surrounding the resignation of Vice Chancellor of Delhi University. Dinesh Singh, the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University, tendered his resignation amidst raging an argument over the 4-year undergraduate program. Talking to a bunch of reporters in the national capital, Tiwari said that the resignation of Vice Chancellor is a reflection of the respect which the government has for the academic institutions and their leaders.
If the Vice Chancellor has chosen to step down, if it is indeed true, it is a reflection on the respect which the NDA has or the current government has for academic institutions and their leaders. Why should things have come to such a pass that the Vice Chancellor, if at all the report is correct, needed to step down? After all, between the HRD ministry, the UGC and the Delhi University, they should have sorted this out. They turned it into an ego issue and didn't care about the futures, the careers of students or the reputation of the institution which they ostensibly are leading.
Former Union Minister also said that scrapping FYUP will have an implication on the credibility of Delhi University.
This is going to have implications on the credibility of Delhi University. It's become a laughing stock of the world. Its credibility lies in tatters. That if you cannot decide that your premium undergraduate program is going to be a 3-year program or a 4-year program, who's going to trust your degree tomorrow? So this is going to have implications and ramifications on the employability of students, but most importantly, the manner in which the government and the University Grants Commission and the leadership of Delhi University has handled this entire issue is completely abominable and abhorrent, to say the least. It is only indicative of the chaos which they are going to be perpetuating in the education sector. It's not really a question of a 4-year graduate program, queer 3-year graduate program, because all of us tend to lean towards the 3-year program, and that's what the National Students Union of India and the teachers organizations affiliated to the Congress had been articulating and agitating for. The fundamental question is the manner in which the current government has trampled and trifled with the autonomy of an academic institution, a premium institution like Delhi University. If they wanted that there should be a 3-year program this year, the decision should have been taken early in the day rather than leave it for the last moment and put lakhs of students and their parents into a quandary. So rather than blaming the UPA, they need to start taking responsibility for their decisions. And what you've been seeing over the last 1 week is lakhs of students on the roads of Delhi University and parents who are absolutely adrift, not knowing as to what is going to happen to the future of their wards.
Powered by NNIS.